Closing market comments for Wednesday, November the 25th. Grains closed lower today after opening higher last night. Rally took off after the opening. We made some push towards the highs, but then sold off going into the morning break. After the morning break, grains were lower and were under pressure most of the day. Wheat was the leader yesterday, driving the market higher on concerns, but we did see rains in the plains, as said. Also rains falling in the soft red and soft white wheat areas, putting pressure on the wheat market. Wheat closed down 23 cents today after a big day up yesterday. Corn and soybeans were dragged lower by the wheat, but they were able to hold, at least not to be down as much. Corn closing down 6 and beans closing down 7 for the day. Weather continues to be the item that everybody's looking at. We did see South America get some rains in some areas and some predictions of some rains, but they continue to be dry overall, with the forecast to be relatively dry going forward. Rabobank this morning came out with numbers. They have the Brazil bean crop at 130 million metric tons. That's below the USDA at 133.0 and below Dr. Cordonier at 132. Rabobank had corn at 107.2. That's below USDA at 110, but above Dr. Cordonier. He's at 106 at this point. Weekly oil inventories were released today. Crude oil stocks at 488.7 million barrels. That's down 800,000 from the previous week, but well above last year at 451.9. Gasoline stocks were 230.1 million. That's down from 228, or up from 228, and up from last year at 226. Distillate stocks at 142.6, down from 144.1, but well above last year's 116.4. Ethanol production this week jumped 28,000 barrels a day to 990,000 barrels a day. That's still below last year at 1,059,000. But the increase in production caused an increase in stocks. Stocks of ethanol this week at 20.866 million barrels. That's up from 20.203 the previous week. And for the first time in months, above last year at 20.277 million barrels. So an increase in ethanol stocks. Crude oil continues to be very strong in the market, up another 93 cents today at 45.84. The dollar was lower. Gold and silver were slightly higher. Stock market was mixed today. Dow futures were down 147, NASDAQ up 94, and S&P down 4. So after yesterday's new record at 30,000, not a bad day in the stock market. Wishing everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.